I want to show you how to create an animated pan highlight text effect in Premiere Pro. The first thing we need to create this effect is an image with text on it, like an article or something similar. Click on the rectangle tool and highlight the area of the text you want to highlight. Now go over and select the multiply blend mode and set opacity to 50, and then go back to Essential Graphics and select a highlight color. Now, we need to set our anchor point to the beginning of the text or sentence, so our highlighter starts from the beginning. Click on anchor point and drag the blue circle to the start of your text and uncheck Uniform Scale under Scale. From the beginning of the animation, bring scale width down to 0 and click on the stopwatch icon. Now, move your slider to your desired duration and adjust the scale width to that so your entire text is highlighted. Move the keyframes around to change the speed of the highlighted text. Now we have our basic text highlight effect, so let's add some extra stuff to really make it stand out. Highlight all of your clips and nest them so our new effects will affect everything. Now go over to Effects and select Basic 3D and drag it on top of your new nested sequence. From the start of your nested clip, click on the stopwatch icons for position, scale, swivel, and tilt, and then move your slider to the end of the clip. You can play around with this, but change the scale to 115 and reposition your X and Y axis to be over top of the highlighted effect. Now increase swivel to 25 degrees and tilt to -7 degrees. Now our effect is starting to look good, but we really want to emphasize that the viewer look at the highlighted area. So let's add some blur to the effect. Go over to Effects and type in Gaussian Blur and add it on top of the nested clip. Now under Effects Controls under Gaussian Blur, select the Create Ellipse Mask tool and draw and resize an oval around our highlighted text, just like this. Now make sure to click Inverted under Mask Expansion. Increase the blurriness to whatever you want. Now our effect is complete. Let's see the result.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.